Are all rules in our Constitution immediately enforceable? Hindi lahat. The general presumption is they are self-executing. But there's more to it. Tayo ay isang democratic and republican state. We exercise our power by choosing representatives to govern us. Our country renounces war as an instrument of national policy. Pero always remember, allowed pa rin ang wars of self-defense. The prime duty of the government is to serve and protect the people. With the military securing our sovereignty. Mahalaga ang separation of church and state. The government cannot set up a religion or prefer one over another. The ultimate goal is a just social order and social justice. Social justice para makalaya ang mga tao sa kahirapan. Who really has the primary right to raise a child? Sa batas natin, it's the parents, with the state in a supporting role. When a child is defenseless, the state steps in as parens patriae, acting as the default protector.
The state doesn't just talk about fairness, it actively ensures the fundamental equality before the law of women and men.
We all have a right to a balanced and healthful ecology. An obligation we owe to both present and future generations. While the Constitution enshrines free enterprise, the government can still regulate trade to protect the public good. For indigenous communities, land is central to their existence, so the state protects their rights to ancestral domains. To maintain integrity, the Constitution created the Office of the Ombudsman to act promptly on complaints against public officials. Transparency is non-negotiable. The policy of full public disclosure guarantees our right to access matters of public concern. Have you ever wondered how citizens can directly enact laws? Pwede natin gawin yan through initiative and referendum. Our country adopts generally accepted principles of international law as part of our own laws. That's the incorporation method in action. Kapag may treaty, it needs legislative concurrence to be effective locally in our domestic jurisdiction. We call this the transformation method. In case of conflict between a local statute and international law, our municipal courts will uphold the local municipal law. The military is always subordinate to civilian authority. Kaya ang president natin ay ang commander-in-chief of the armed forces. Ang paghihiwalay ng simbahan at estado ay hindi nangangahulugan ng puot. Pinahihintulutan ng estado ang mga akomodasyon upang lumago ang voluntaryong pagsasagawa ng relihiyon. Social justice protects the underprivileged. Pero hindi ito pwedeng gamitin to trample on the valid rights of property owners. The state provides special protection to children from all forms of abuse, supported by laws like Republic Act No. 7610. Choosing a profession is your right, but the state regulates this to safeguard public health, safety, and general welfare. Disabled employees deserve the same terms of employment as able-bodied persons. It is a matter of law and justice, hindi lang awa. Kahit malayo sa bansa, the government is duty-bound to ensure our overseas workers have adequate economic and personal protection. Our economic policy is self-reliant, but it doesn't shut out foreign investments. It just limits protection against unfair foreign competition. To promote rural development, the state pushes for agrarian reform through laws like the Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Law. Indigenous customary laws are respected, pero hindi ito pwedeng ipalit sa state prosecution pagdating sa criminal offenses. Information is vital to nation building. The state promotes the rapid expansion of telecommunications for public need and the common good. Equal access to public service is a state policy. But the privilege to hold public office can still be subjected to limitations.
Don't forget to follow Give us a like and subscribe for more. Thank you so much.